The world of reality television has long been captivated by the journey of the Slayton siblings, but one family member who often remains slightly in the background compared to Tammy and Amy is Chris Combs. That has all changed after his latest transformation photos surfaced online. Chris Combs, best known for his appearance on the hit TLC show, 1000 LB Sisters, is flaunting an impressively tiny waist after undergoing skin removal surgery, and fans cannot stop talking about how drastically different he looks. This new chapter in his health journey has not only inspired his loyal supporters but has also sparked deep conversations about perseverance, weight loss, and the hidden battles that come after bariatric surgery. When viewers were first introduced to Chris, he was portrayed as the down-to-earth, straightforward brother who often acted as a grounding force for his sisters, especially Tammy. His good-natured humor, his willingness to support his siblings, and his realistic outlook on weight loss made him a fan favorite. While his sisters often dominated the headlines with their dramatic health updates, Chris worked consistently behind the scenes to improve his own life, all while juggling family responsibilities and appearances on the show. His weight loss journey was filled with both triumphs and setbacks, and for years, fans watched him shed pounds steadily while pushing through the emotional and physical hurdles that come with obesity. Now, his latest reveal shows that the hard work was worth every ounce of struggle. In the newly surfaced pictures, Chris is seen proudly showing off his smaller frame and especially his tiny waistline after undergoing skin removal surgery, a procedure that is often a final step in the transformation for people who have lost significant amounts of weight. For many, losing hundreds of pounds is only part of the battle. Excess skin can be both physically painful and emotionally challenging. Chris has been open about this aspect of his health, explaining in past interviews that the loose skin not only affected his confidence but also created health issues, such as skin irritation and mobility problems. By moving forward with the surgery, Chris demonstrated once again his commitment to living a healthier, freer, and more confident life. Fans were quick to flood social media with supportive comments when the new pictures dropped. Many pointed out how incredible Chris looked, while others noted that his transformation was one of the most shocking of all the siblings. One fan wrote that Chris's results are a testament to perseverance and determination, calling him the quiet hero of the show. Others praised him for being authentic and real about the struggles behind massive weight loss, reminding the public that the road does not end once the pounds are shed. For Chris, the transformation is not just physical, it is deeply emotional and symbolic. The image of him flaunting his tiny waist isn't just about vanity or aesthetics, it is a powerful reminder of how far he has come from the man he used to be. In past episodes, Chris has admitted that food was both comfort and curse, and that obesity limited his life in countless ways. By taking control of his health, enduring bariatric surgery, sticking with lifestyle changes, and finally tackling the excess skin issue, Chris has proven that long-term change is possible even when the road seems never-ending. His siblings, especially Tammy and Amy, have played different roles in his journey. While Chris has often been portrayed as the encourager for Tammy, urging her to stick with weight loss goals, he has also benefited from their shared experiences. The family bond has been a cornerstone of the series, and each sibling's progress tends to motivate the others. With Tammy's dramatic transformation following her own surgery, and Amy balancing motherhood with her health journey, Chris's reveal of his skin removal results adds yet another inspiring chapter to the family's collective story. Beyond his immediate family, Chris's transformation serves as motivation for countless viewers who struggle with obesity or body image issues. Reality TV often thrives on drama and controversy, but Chris's storyline has always been about determination and quiet strength. By sharing his ups and downs, he gives hope to those who feel stuck in their own journeys. His willingness to publicly celebrate his achievements, including flaunting his tiny waistline after surgery, creates a ripple effect that encourages others to believe in change. The medical side of Chris's surgery is also worth noting. Skin removal surgery, sometimes referred to as body contouring, is a major procedure that requires months of preparation, consultations, and recovery. It is not simply a cosmetic choice but often a medical necessity for people who have lost extreme amounts of weight. Loose skin can lead to hygiene issues, back pain, infections, and limitations in physical activity. For Chris, The decision was not only about looking better but also about living better. His ability to now move more freely and comfortably opens new opportunities in everyday life, from exercise to family activities. His results also highlight the importance of proper aftercare and mental health support in post-weight loss transformations. Many fans underestimate how much resilience is required not just to lose the weight but to manage the aftermath. Chris's honesty about the challenges makes him relatable and trustworthy in the eyes of the audience. While the spotlight often shines brightest on Tammy's near-death experiences or Amy's motherhood struggles, Chris has carved out his own place in the hearts of fans by simply being himself. This latest photo flaunting his tiny waist is more than just a viral moment, it is a celebration of victory over a lifelong battle. The excitement around Chris's transformation has also reignited interest in what's next for him on the show. Will his journey inspire new storylines? Will fans get a deeper glimpse into his post-surgery lifestyle and recovery process? TLC audiences are eager to see more of Chris's story unfold, not just as a sibling to the Slayton sisters but as a man who redefined his own life through courage and perseverance. NCE. Social media continues to buzz with side-by-side comparisons of Chris's before and after pictures, with many noting that his transformation is among the most dramatic seen on the show. His tiny waist, once unimaginable, now stands as proof of the progress he has made. Some fans have even suggested that Chris deserves his own spin-off, focusing more closely on his personal journey, family life, and continued health transformation. Whether or not that comes to fruition, his current reveal has already cemented him as one of the standout figures in the 1000 lb Sisters franchise. The road to health is never linear, and Chris himself would likely be the first to admit that. There have been times when weight crept back, times when motivation waned, and times when emotional battles threatened progress. Yet, his ability to bounce back, keep pushing forward, and ultimately reach this new milestone showcases the resilience of the human spirit. His latest picture flaunting a tiny waist after skin removal is not the end of his journey but rather the beginning of a new era where he can live fully, confidently, and unapologetically. Fans of the show often look to the Slayton siblings for inspiration, motivation, or even a sense of relatability in their own struggles with health and self-acceptance. Chris Combs' transformation, particularly this latest reveal, resonates deeply because it feels genuine, earned, and grounded in real effort. It is not a manufactured storyline but the culmination of years of work, persistence, and unwavering belief in himself. As the buzz continues to grow, one thing is certain, Chris Combs is no longer just the supportive brother in the background. He is now front and center, proudly flaunting his tiny waist and redefining what it means to transform. His story serves as a reminder that health journeys are personal, unique, and worthy of celebration at every stage. For now, fans will continue to cheer him on, celebrate his victories, and wait eagerly to see what comes next in his inspiring journey. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.